welcome back to our channel. Perfect rice, every time. That's what Zojirushi promises with its NS-ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer. Designed with Japanese precision and smart cooking technology, this 5.5 cup rice cooker doesn't just cook, it thinks. From white rice to brown, sushi to porridge, it automatically adjusts its settings for flawless results every time. Let's explore how the Neuro Fuzzy Logic turns your rice into perfection and why this model is one of Zojirushi's most loved cookers worldwide. Neuro Fuzzy Logic Technology. The secret behind its perfect performance is Zojirushi's Neuro Fuzzy Logic Technology. This intelligent system learns from your cooking habits and automatically adjusts temperature and time based on the type of rice and conditions inside the pot. The result? Fluffy, perfectly cooked rice, whether it's white, brown, or mixed. Advanced heating system. Equipped with an advanced triple heating system bottom, side, and lid, the Neuro Fuzzy ensures even heat distribution throughout the pot. Every grain of rice is cooked evenly from top to bottom, no soggy or undercooked spots. Easy to clean, convenient design. Cleaning up is just as easy as cooking. The inner lid is removable and washable, and the non-stick spherical inner pan makes rinsing and serving effortless. Plus, with a detachable power cord, you can store or move it easily, a thoughtful touch for compact kitchens. Triple heating system. The NS-ZCC10 uses a triple heating system bottom, side, and lid heaters to distribute heat evenly throughout the pot. This ensures consistent cooking from top to bottom, so every single grain is cooked to perfection. Reheat function. No more cold leftovers. The built-in reheat function quickly warms up stored rice while keeping its moisture intact. No need for a microwave. Simply press reheat, and in minutes, your rice tastes freshly cooked again. Compact size design, capacity build. The NS-ZCC10 is built with both performance and footprint in mind. It has a capacity up to 5.5 cups, uncooked, perfect for many households, yet remains relatively compact on your countertop. From precise technology to easy cleaning, from soft porridge to sushi rice. The Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker is built to make every meal effortlessly perfect. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.